Have you been sleeping on the most important beauty supplement in this life? I bet you do. Is this really the most important beauty supplement in the world for women? So I heard. I'm not sure. I was sitting with my dermatologist the other day and she confirmed. She said yes, it is the most important beauty supplement. And I said I have it at home and she told me you've been sitting on gold mine. Do your research and get back to me. I listened to her, did the research, and I got back to her, and indeed I tried it for 45 days. Because previously I was in it once in a while. I was thinking this supplement is for gym bodies. And I've been consistent for 45 days. And there is no one in this internet, I'm telling you, no one is going to tell you the importance of this beauty supplement better than me. I have a biology degree, sports nutrition, and gut health training. And I am not leaving this video until every beauty girl knows what I know. And the supplement is the creatine. Stay with me because in this video, you will learn what creatine really is, who is it for, how do I use it, how many grams are you allowed to take in a day, when to take it, the best time to take it, and the best products to buy in the market, possible side effects to know, and what to expect week by week. This is the video I wish I had before I started. I am Chichi, luxury beauty writer and trend translator for melanin-rich skin. I've got biology degree, nutrition for sport and human performance, and gut health certificate, and 10 years in advertising women in luxury beauty on what actually works for brown and black skin girls. Everything on this channel is brown skin approved. And subscribe if you are new on this platform. I had the supplement sitting in my house and I've been taking it, once in a while, whenever I want to go to the gym or something, whenever I remember. I wasn't serious about this supplement. I wasn't intentional, not at all. Honestly, I was thinking this supplement is for my gym bros because we are serum girls, SPF girls, glow girls. This is our world. Then my dermatologist client stopped me. She said, this is the most important supplement for women in the world right now. I said, I have it. And she said, you've been sleeping on something really, really damn good. Go and do your research. Yes, I did. And I was blown away. I got intentional for 45 days, guys. And girls, I am not lying to you. Something shifted. And I have a biology and nutrition training behind everything I'm saying to you today. So we are not just talking. We are breaking this down properly. Dr. Andrew Huberman takes 5 grams every single day for his brain, not for the gym. Dr. Stacy Sims went on to Mel Robbins' podcast and said every woman needs to be on creatine. Cleveland Clinic published the clinical evidence, a 2025 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition studied women specifically across every single stage. This is not a trend. This is science. Who is it for? Women over 25, menopausal women, plant-based girls, because creatine comes from red meat, salmon, tuna, and cod. Gym girls who want faster recovery and better performance, and beauty girls who want to glow from the inside out. Every cell in your body runs on energy. Creatine keeps those cells charged. Creatine empowers ATP, the energy level of every single cell in the body, including your skin cells. More cells means faster repair, better hydration, cell turnover. Cleveland Clinic confirmed it increases estrogen and human growth hormone, both responsible for skin regeneration for brown and melanin-rich skin. Faster cell turnover means faster fading of hyperpigmentation and post-acne scarring, not from a serum, from the inside nobody is talking about. This is exactly what I cover in my ebook, Clear Skin After 30, the Clear Skin Code. Your hormones in your 20s and 30s, estrogen, progesterone, DHEA, how they affect your skin from the inside out. Link in the description below. If you are over 25, that book is written for you. Stay with me because the next part is the one I was not prepared for. And it is the reason I will never stop taking creatine. The brain and the spar. Your brain uses 20% of your total energy. Creatine fits it directly. Memory, reasoning, mental sharpness. And here is why this is a beauty topic. Don't lie. How many times have we forgotten to book our facials? How many times? Skipped our night routines? Missed our spa appointment? Little by little? That is brain fog. That is cognitive decline. Starting quietly. When your brain is sharp, you show up for yourself. You remember your SPF. You book your facials. You go to the spa. Brain health is beauty maintenance. Dr. Huberman takes 5 grams daily for his brain health, not for gym. That told me everything. How much do you need to use? I'll explain to you now. 5 grams every single day for cognitive function and brain health, and 10 grams if muscle building is your goal. Start at 5 grams and let your body adjust. Which form of creatine is the best? Monohydrate only. Crepe Pure is the gold standard. NSF certified for sports on the label every day, not just for trainings. Morning, water, juice, or smoothie. Consistency over timing. This is non-negotiable. 1.5 liters of water every day while on creatine. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells. You must stay hydrated or you will feel the side effects, which is dehydration and possible constipation. Creatine is essential for training if you want to build muscles. It gives your muscle quick burst of energy and it makes you train longer at the gym. Improves performance and speed. Speeds of recovery session after gym. It happened to me. Pair it with resistant training for maximum results. I'm speaking from my personal experience. Creatine product to use. Ton creatine, monohydrate, NSF certified, gold, $48. Gummies, Crepe formula, 6 flavors, $45. Promise, macronized monohydrate, unflavored sachets. Throw it in your bag, $26. So affordable. Momentous creatine, vegan, Crepe, best for plant-based girls, $35. Aratone creatine gummies, vegan, postbiotics included. The beauty girl pick, my pick, $31. All links in the description box below. Effects of creatine. Slight water retention in week 1 and 2. That is water going into your cell muscle, not fats. Stay hydrated. Drink 1.4 liters of water. Mild bloating. Split your dose throughout the day. If you have kidney or liver condition, consult your doctor. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting anything you hear on social media. Starting week by week. Week 1 and 2, just stay hydrated. Week 2 and 3, energy is up. Brain fog is cleared. You begin to remember everything. Don't panic. Afternoon crash is gone to the wind. Week 4, mental sharpness is overload. That was my moment. Just clearer. Mid conversation, make work days, my skin is clear, everything is clear and glowing. Be consistent, guys. Clear skin after 30, link in bio. Everything you need to glow from the inside out is available in this book. Subscribe, share this with your sister, share this with your mom, or anyone who thinks brain fog is their life right now. And there is no one on the internet that will tell you what I've just told you right now. We are not sleeping on this anymore, girls. This is brown skin approved.